Hi everyone. This is a very quick tutorial video to show you how to upload work onto eschools. Now make sure that your parents watch this video. It's very, very important. So I'll start right from the beginning. Now I've opened up my Internet Explorer or Chrome or whatever you use, and in the bar search I'm going to type in CTK CPS, and it will bring me to the Google page, and the first link will be to Christ the King Primary School's main website. So I'm going to click on that and it will bring up the school's website. All you guys need to do is then click on one of these tabs. So I'm going to click on About Us, and then it will show you in the top right hand corner a login green button, and you're going to click that login green button and it will take you to the login page. So I'm going to obviously log in as myself. You guys will have your own individual logins, and you need to type your username and your password in, then click the green button to log in. That will then take you to a dashboard. Now mine looks completely different to yours, so I'm actually now going to go in and log in as Kyla. I know she won't mind. So if I press inspect pupil, that's what you'll be greeted with. So this is called your dashboard. So once you've got into put in your username and your password, this is the page that you will see. Now you've got a few options here. You've got a whistle message, which goes to myself, Miss O'Sullivan and Mr. Cooper. Or, and if you click that whistle button, by the way, you can't actually upload work. That is just literally a message to Miss O'Sullivan, Mr. Cooper, and myself. All right. You want to be clicking the new message green button here. And as you can see, it's in the style of an email. And you'll need to type in the person that you're sending it to. So if you're uploading work and you're sending it to me, you'd put in Mr. Smith, and my name will pop up here. So you'll need to click that. And that's to make sure that it goes to me. And then in the subject box here, you're going to type in what work. So it might be daily arithmetic. Okay, and then you write me a quick message saying, "Hi, Mr. Smith. Attached is my daily arithmetic work," and then obviously put your name. But so I'm going to put Kyla because I'm on Kyla's account. So then you'll need to click this orange button here, the attach button. When you click that, it will take you to your documents, and then you'll need to click a document that you're going to attach. So I'll click this one here. All right, so now that document has attached to this file, and once I've done that, I then need to press the send button. And when I press that green send button, that will go directly to my account so I can see it. Okay. Also on your dashboard, you've got things like your messages that you'll receive from me or any of your teachers. So like my PE games, for example, the links are all on there. You'll have the weekly timetable updated every week by myself and Miss O'Sullivan. You've also got, if you go a bit further down, links to trick box to help you guys. You've got a maths organizer here to help you with different methods. You've got lots of different links down here to help you, to support you with your learning. So you've got like Twinkle, White Rose Hub, the direct link to Joe Wick's 9 AM workouts, some free virtual tours I've put on there as well. So there's lots of different links that you can also click on if you scroll down the page. If you click on me, again, it brings up all these messages that all of the teachers have sent to you. All right, so pretty straightforward, really. Replay this video if you need to, if you forget any of those steps. I'm sure some of you probably will do. But what Miss O'Sullivan and I have had a conversation about is that it's great to hear that you guys are doing lots of work, and it might be the paperwork and not the stuff that you do online. That's absolutely fine. but please share with us what you are doing, because a lot of the children haven't done that, and hence why we're ringing a few of you to start off with, just to check in that you are doing some work. And I'm really pleased to hear that all of the children that I've phoned over the last week, they have been doing the work. So that's great, but just please do your best to upload it to us. We're not expecting a message daily, because I know that can be quite time consuming. Just 1-2 messages a week, just stating what you've been up to, so a little bit of evidence, so you can take a photo on your phone and then upload it straight from your phone onto one of these messages if you're doing it via that, or on a tablet. You can take the picture on your tablet and then log onto the eschools and upload it that way, or you can take a picture, email it to your own account, and then you've got it on your laptop. So this is for parents. So email it to yourself, so it's then on your laptop, and you can save it onto the laptop and then upload it to the eschools that way. Or alternatively, you can log into Twitter, which is very easy to access on your phone as well, and take a picture and then attach the photo to the Twitter account. Okay? And again, that's really straightforward. So I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't in any way, please comment on the YouTube video below, or log on to the eschools account and just send me a message that way. I just wanted to do this just to make sure that you guys are really clear as to how to upload those, the brilliant work that you've been doing. It's been absolutely incredible. It's been great to read all of the poems that you did last week, and all of the other maths work and geography work, and all the effort that you're putting in. It's great. So be really proud of it and share it with Miss O'Sullivan and myself. Okay? So well done, guys. Hope that makes sense. Have a great week. You'll be emailed out the timetable for next week and a little letter explaining what to do. So yeah, hopefully that's really straightforward. Thanks, guys. Thank you for all your hard work, and I'll speak to you later. Bye.